This project is for the American Community Survey. One of my professors is working on the project which is relevant to the children disease. So since the data has a lot of variables associated with the margin of error information, my professor wants me to derive some other variables and the margin of error information based on the available information. So the documentation that the professor provides to me has about five formulas which are used to calculate the variables and the margins of errors. And my mission as here is to write five Python scripts. Each of the Python scripts was responsible for accomplishing each formula. Then I apply those scripts into the ArcGIS software by designing the interface for each script and make them work as a toolbox because it's more user-friendly. And here is the toolbox that I created for this project. And let's use one as an example. I use the calculating the MOE for the derived ratios. The derived ratios here is defined as the result of one variable divided by another variable. Because we don't have the data officially from my professor, I'm going to use another layer as an example. Um, Probably the example is not really reasonable, but we just want to show how the Python script works. We use the flow line as our target layer. And here, this is the interface for this Python script. And we have six necessary inputs and three optional inputs. So let me select the workspace, and the layer that we're going to use is the flow line. And the first variable that we're going to use is the resolution, and the margin of error for this variable is called the PDF type. And the second variable is the length km, and the margin of error for this variable is echo. And we give our new variable named as p value, and the corresponding MOE a name of MOE. So the output possibility is 90%. Let's see the Python script has run successfully. It just takes only 1 second. Let's go check the data. So here we can see there are two additional columns which were generated from the Python script. And to check whether the result is correct, we can do the calculations manually. And after I tried to do the calculations manually, I found the result is exactly the same to the two columns here. So which means that our Python script is run successfully and accurately.